Hey guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Lysol Power and Fresh Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Yeah. Now, these are pretty good. I've used these probably about maybe like 8 months now, and I don't really expect them to clean your toilet. I mean, because when you have like stains, like real stains in there, this is not going to do it. I mean, it cleans it to, in a sense, you know, from just basic stuff you may have in your toilet, but real stains need to be scrubbed. Okay, so I wouldn't buy these thinking that it's going to actually make your toilets clean of any kind of stain that gets in there. But it prevents stains from actually building up, and that's good. Like, you know, if you don't clean your toilet for a long time and you just flush it and it's just the water, it can get like a ring around there, you know, or, you know, stain. This kind of prevents that. But sometimes you really need to get in there with like some real cleaning solution, you know, and scrub it out, you know, with a toilet brush. This is very good though for keeping your toilet kind of fresh, yeah. And it also leaves your toilet with a nice smell, as the smell of Lysol is like, you know, freshness. Everybody knows that nice Lysol smell. Now what you do is you would hang this under the toilet seat, and this part loops around the back of right under the lid of the toilet and kind of hooks around the side, and this part is actually hanging inside the toilet off to the side of the wall. And when you flush the toilet, the water goes through and onto the little cleansing pellets that are inside, and, you know, flush out all the nastiness that's inside the toilet. Yeah, and makes the toilet have that nice fresh scent. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. It really keeps it fresh. And the deodorized part of it is really nice. I mean, because it will like bring out that Lysol smell every time you flush. And these, when you put them in there, last up to 4 weeks. Now I buy like about 5 packs of these at a time, and this is one of the new ones I'm using just to kind of show you guys. And it lasts, I mean, it lasts 4 weeks. That's pretty long. Then you just replace it with another one. And they're very, very economical, guys. It's really, really cheap to buy these, and they work. And I mean, who wouldn't want to pay a cheap price to have something clean your toilets at every flush? Now, granted, I said clean and freshen in a reasonable way is what I mean. Sometimes it's not going to get all those deep down stains. And don't by any means not clean your toilet and then just put this in there and think it's going to clean your toilet for you. You know, like if you already have a stained toilet, don't think this is going to clean it if you haven't never cleaned it, okay? This keeps it clean once it's already clean, you know, from minor things that cause your toilet to have stains. So, yeah, and it smells great, and it's just really nice to have that nice deodorizer and that fresh scent come out every time you flush. It's really good. Like I said, I've used this for a while, and I went a long time without using anything at all. And, you know, over time, I would just, like, every few days would go by and I would just scrub my toilets out. And this made it so I had to do that less and less. You know, you look in there and you're like, hey, it's clean, looks good. Yeah, that's what you will find. And that's what makes it so good. And I mean, not that I don't have to clean my toilets ever, but since I've been using this, I have to clean it less and less, you know. So it's good, and I use it in all my bathrooms. Lysol. And that's a brand you can pretty much trust. They've been out there a while. They know what they're doing. All right, I like this a lot. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Lysol Power and Fresh Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.